All right, guys, good morning. All right, I want to talk to you about School Loop real quick, some additions that we have on here. So I'm just going to use first period as an example. So under Stream tab, you will find my banner with my name on it, your period, and each period has their own Google Meet link. It's active, so if we ever need to talk and I'll say, let's go to Google Meet, you go to this link on your respective page. All right. That's number one. The second thing I really wanted to talk to you about is with your classwork, I will be putting links not on the documents anymore. So as you can see, these are extra links right here, and they work. So whenever you see my video, it'll be on YouTube, it'll be about 4 to 10 minutes. On that same part of the instructions, you'll see extra links. These are the links that you'll be using moving forward. If there's any reason that a link doesn't work, please do not request access because I can't give it to you. Just shoot me an email and I'll fix it. All right. Just give me a few minutes and I'll make sure it works. All right. Now, on to our assignment. So we're in Unit 5. We're in Lesson 2. We're going to talk about civil disobedience. Now, our CQ in this is what role has civil disobedience played in the fight for equality in America? Directions. You'll be examining different ways people have behaved in an effort to bring about big social changes. Go to the virtual gallery that is attached to the lesson under instructions, and you'll use that for this. So step 1, examine each photograph and be sure to read the hint for each. Then answer the questions in the box below. So here are our pictures and they will be attached. And here is your hint right down here. Read the hint, examine your picture, go back to your assignment, and you're going to answer each one of these 4 questions in 1 or 2 complete sentences. You'll go back to the second picture, which is going to be right here. Again, please read the hint, and you will move forward and you'll answer these questions. Now, the questions are pretty straightforward, and you're going to do this 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then don't forget, down here, I have a YouTube video which I'll attach. But let's get to these questions real quick. So the first is, do you know what the event is based on the picture and the hint? What do you think these people are resisting or trying to change? What words would you use to describe their actions? And how do you think if they were successful in making big changes happen, either why or why not? So again, you'll look at these pictures and you'll make that prediction, and again, use the hint, look at the data that's right below here, the captions, it will help you out. Now you're going to repeat that 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. And again, those images correlate with image 1, image 2, image 3, and image 4. Now, step 2 is I want you to watch a civil disobedience video, and it's going to be attached to the lesson under instructions. Here's the link, but I'll also put it there. If the machine of government is of such a nature that it requires you to be in justice to another, then I say break the law. Now, one more moral responsibility is to disobey unjust laws, and this is by Martin Luther King. So after you watch this video, I want you to please come up with your own definition of civil disobedience right here. It can be multiple sentences. So watch the video, look at this word, civil disobedience, and then after you watch the video, come up with your own definition for it. And finally, you're going to do your CQ. What role has civil disobedience played in the fight of equality in America? All right, guys. This one's really straightforward. It should be pretty easy to do. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good night.